This sewing trick will help you make straight stitches. So just look, I'm going to set everything up just with a tape rule and sellotape. As I do the setup, let me tell you about the trending application for fashion designer. It's called Stylebit. Stylebit is an application designed for fashion designer to help them manage their business. With Stylebit, you can save measurements on your device. You don't have to do pen and paper anymore, and you never lose any measurement. You can save orders. You can send invoice to your customer to remind them about any pending payment. You also get notified about any order that is about to overdue, so you won't disappoint. I'll leave a link in the description box or in the comment section to download the Stylebit application. And before I forget, you also get access to free fashion designer community, like a group of fashion designer where you can ask questions if you have any difficulty. So you click on the link and download the Stylebit application today. Let's get back to what we are doing. You see I have the tape rule sellotape on the machine, and I'm following the numbers on the tape rule to make my seam allowance. I can adjust my seam allowance to as much as I want it. You can see I leave my seam allowance to be on 1.5 inches. Now I can adjust it to 2 inches, and by doing that you get a straight stitch.